We're in West Midtown right now in another wonderful Brock-Built community. Ansley Brooks is here with us at Parkview 2, and we're so excited about this neighborhood. Of course, Brock-Built has developed so many gorgeous neighborhoods in West Midtown, Ansley, but tell us more about this one.
Well, Parkview has been so successful because honestly right now there's not a lot of new construction in this area, and we've got a great variety of floor plans available at competitive prices here at Parkview 2. The West Midtown location is wonderful for several reasons. First, you have close access to I-75, 285. You're close to Piedmont Park, Georgia Aquarium, and all the great things that downtown has to offer, as well as excellent shopping and wonderful dining.
Ansley, the last time we visited, we were actually in this home, but it looks very different now.
Yes, Susie, this is our new decorated model. It's our Coventry floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath floor plan on a slab. It has a great open floor plan, and this is priced at $279,900. We also have 2 additional homes that are under construction, which will be ready in 30 days. One is our popular Hobart floor plan, again 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath on a slab, has a great back deck, perfect for entertaining, priced at $304,900, and our McLaren floor plan is priced at $309,900, which is also a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, has an incredible yard. We have 1 basement home that will be completed in 30 days. It's priced at $349,900. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath floor plan, has a great back deck for entertaining, a very open floor plan. We also have home sites available for pre-sale opportunity for those who want to customize their home. In all of our homes here at Parkview, we built to our beautiful Brock-Built features and finishes such as hardwoods on the main, beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen, 42-inch upper cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and much more, as well as our 1-year builder warranty, 2-year mechanical warranty, and 10-year structural warranty. And all of our homes are built to our Brock-Built Green program.
Let our viewers know how they can find out more.
Sure, you can give me a call at 770-301-6690. You can also visit us on the web at brockbuilt.com. So be sure to come out to our new model home and ask how to enter our James Hardy sweepstakes here at Parkview 2. Well, you will experience life plus style.